Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I have another post review. This one is called Afternoon Tea, and let me see if I can maybe, oh, my lighting's horrible. Anyway, I'll put a picture of it in the video. So this is a 40 by 30. It's a round drill. It does have 17 colors. There was no DMC charting on this. So what I did was, with my drills that were left over, I just stick them in individual baggies, and one of these days I'll either match them into, hopefully I can get them to be, match them up to DMC numbers, or I'll just, do some kind of craft with them or something. I don't know. But anyway, I did get this from ELICE. I ordered this back in April and received it in May, which wasn't too bad. I gave $3.99 for this, and I like it and I don't like it. There again, I was new, didn't understand the detail and the size thing. So this is a very cute picture, but it's too small for the detail, because they just, like, her little face, I don't know. It's, I guess, as long as you're not standing up on top of it. So again, another one of those that you frame it, stick it on the wall, and just don't get real close to it. So, but I had no issues with this, other than there was just a few spots in here that weren't very sticky. Overall, the whole canvas was pretty sticky. It's just certain spots, just, it's like the sticky was just kind of wearing off or something. I do like that they put the schematic on both sides. You also have two pictures, so pretty much have two pictures, or have a picture on each side with a schematic. And like I said, it's called Afternoon Tea, and I just think these are so cute. There's like a whole series of these little chubby people, so I think they're very cute. I wouldn't mind getting all of them. But it is very shiny. The drills were really good. Didn't have any issues with the drills. Had plenty left over. So, yeah, I don't have much to say about this one, other than, like I said, the detail and the size of the canvas. You can almost, can't even tell that this is a person sitting over here with me looking at it from here. So, but yeah, that's about all I got on this one. I don't know. It's not a bad canvas, and like I said, these are the little budget-friendly, cheap little canvases. I enjoyed it. So, honestly, I don't have anything to say bad about it or anything. So, I just wanted to jump on here and show you this finish. It's going to be a short video. So, anyway, thanks to all my subscribers who are still sticking with me. And if you're new, please hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you'll know when I have other videos. Sorry this was so short, but I'm kind of in a hurry, but I wanted y'all to see this. So, I guess until my next video, I will see all y'all later. Bye, y'all.